Hi, today we're going to take an unboxing review at Starlink's Battle for Atlas weapon pack. This pack is called the Hailstorm pack. So you get the Hailstorm Ice Gatling Gun weapon, and then you get Meteor Mark II Flame Shield. So yeah, that's actually a flame shield right there. Haven't I seen it over at Walmart and over at Myers now. I didn't even know Target sold them, but I picked mine up at Target for $4.99, which is not really a bad price for a weapon pack. Originally they're going for $10. You can also get them over at GameStop, which GameStop is selling them for $7.99. So cheaper at GameStop full price. On clearance, I got it honestly cheaper than GameStop's full price. So clearance I got it for $5, which at Target they're going for about $10 full price. Or at GameStop, they're going for about $8 full price. So, yeah. So I love how this one is made by Ubisoft. I love how they have the artwork on the box that shows off kind of like Transformers artwork. Love how the little weapons have the little designs on, like the little snowflake for being an icy snow weapon, and fire for a flame weapon and stuff. So, like I said, some bad box, which I'm sure you probably can't read it until I get the camera in focus here. So, Hailstorm launch burst of freezing ice shots. Meteor Mark II ram into enemies with a searing heat shield. And then the StarlinkGame.com and stuff. So, yep, let's get this open. If we can. So here's what the little ice shield looks like. Not ice shield. The Hailstorm. Love how, like I said, you can see the little symbol there for a snowflake. That's going to be an icy snow one. Paint is highly detailed paint. I don't really have the surfboards exposed on there, but it is, and here is Meteor Mark II. Again, love how it has the little design there that shows you what it looks like. So yeah, you can just pop them off like this, so you can have it. There's two of the same weapon class going on there. Snowflake, Snowflake. For a double ice, or you can kind of do a little fire and ice action going on. Which actually, these two are a little bit different. This one is the fire. And this one has kind of like a cracked shield. Or a shield buster, or shield breaker design going on. But you could kind of have like that. I think combo of either doing double ice or fire and ice, that's pretty good. So, combo like this. Pretty awesome. Or you could just put your original weapons on there. And stuff. But yeah, for about $8. Okay, GameStop, not that bad for what you're getting for two weapons here. Which is probably something around a pretty good, cheap price, I would say, price-wise for the weapon pack that they're selling. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.